Hi Prep 2, this is your final lesson in this block all about division. So today what we're going to do is look at division and dividing by 10. Now if you know your 10 times table, I would imagine you know a pattern of numbers that are divisible by 10. Think of those numbers in the 10 times table. What's the same about all of them? Have a couple of seconds of thinking time. You should know that they all end in a big round 0. So all of the numbers that we times by 10 end up with a 0 at the end. So when we are dividing by 10, that is really a clue to make things a bit easier for you. Let's have a look at some of today's activities. Just like all of the other division we've been doing, it can be useful to have some objects here to help you. I've got in front of me some things that you will recognise from school. Some base 10 sticks which have 10 blocks in each stick. And I have got some Numicon, and these have 10 holes to represent 10. Okay, I'm going to use the sticks first of all. Now, I wonder if you can help me count in tens with these base 10 sticks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, we still have one left. Wonder what that's going to be. Add on another 10. It's 110. Okay, that was a bit of counting in tens just to get you warmed up. Now, let's have a look here. I have got how many in front of me? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 altogether. And it is very easy for me to divide these by 10. 60 divided by 10. They're already in groups of 10 here, aren't they? So how many groups of 10 have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What would you say? Easy peasy lemon squeezy? Should we have a look at another one? Okay, let's take a look at these. Let's see how many we've got all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wonder if you can work out what that is all together in total. 8 lots of 10. 8 times 10. Let's count in tens to double check that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, we have 80. And we are going to divide them by 10. 80 divided by 10. Now we know, don't we, that each stick has 10 blocks in. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 altogether. 80 divided by 10 equals 8. Can you see the pattern that is forming here? Let's have a look at another example. Okay, here I have got 30. And I'm going to divide them by 10. I wonder if you can make a sensible guess about what you think the answer might be. 30 divided by 10. How many do you think it's going to be? Let's take a look. Okay, they are separated into groups of 10. How many have we got? 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Now, I wonder if you know what the times table fact is that is the partner for this division fact. If 30 divided by 10 equals 3, Let's flip that around. 3 times 10 equals 30. 3 lots of 10 equals 30 altogether. Now I've got my Numicon in front of me, and I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. And we are going to divide that by 10. We're going to put it into groups of 10. And how many do you think we are going to have? Okay, with Numicon, this is nice and easy. I'm going to group it into groups of 10. How many groups have we got? We have got 2. And I wonder if you know what that multiplication calculation is that is its partner. You can pause the video now if you want to have a go at writing it down or saying it out loud. 2 times 10 equals 20. 2 lots of 10 equals 20. Now we've got some problems that you are likely to find in some of your worksheets today. First of all, we've got a word-based problem. Pencils are sold in packs of 10. How many packs can be filled? Now I know that I've got 30 here because this number sentence tells me so. So I need to put them into groups of 10. I'm going to use a pen so that I can draw the groups on myself. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They don't all have to be looking exactly the same, as long as you have 10 in your group. So how many groups have I got there? 30 pencils. I've got 1, 2, 3 groups. 30 into packs of 10 means that there are 3 groups. So this is the same problem but presented in a different way. 30 pencils are sold in packs of 10. How many packs of pencils can be made? Well, we know that, don't we? We've just worked it out. There are 3 packs of pencils that can be made. And we can now have a go at completing the bar model to show this. 30. Does this look like the right bar model? I don't think it does. How many boxes should we have for this question? Okay, there's our bar model. 30 into 3 groups with 10 in each group. Okay. So there's no number for this number sentence. You have just got an image. Okay, I wonder how much is here. I think we can count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 divided by 10 equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 divided by 10 equals 5. Now let's take a look at this question. Use the multiplication calculation to create a division calculation. So we have got 4 times 10 equals 40. we can model that. 40. 4 lots of 10 equals 40. We can flip that number sentence around and we start with 40. That's our total number. We divide them into groups of 10. And how many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Does this match up with this? 4 times 10 equals 40. 40 divided by 10 equals 4. It matches up. Now it's your turn to have a go at some of these questions on your worksheets.